The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerful flagship smartphone, packed with premium features and top-tier performance. It is expected to feature a large 6.82-inch OLED display with an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, offering stunning visuals and responsiveness. Under the hood, the device will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, making it ideal for heavy multitasking and gaming. In terms of photography, the Edge 60 Ultra is rumored to boast an impressive triple-camera setup, led by a massive 200MP main sensor alongside 250MP lenses for ultra-wide and telephoto shots. Powering the device is a 4,600 mAh battery with support for blazing fast 150W charging, ensuring minimal downtime. It is expected to run on Android 15 and carry an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, combining performance and durability in a sleek design. With an estimated price of around 69,990 Indian rupees, the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is positioned as a serious contender in the high-end smartphone market.